Greetings everyone. In this video, I've got some ring covers to go over some of the knobs in the truck. Got these on Amazon. They are bright red, very much like the exterior of the truck. They just snap in place and they're supposed to be removable. We will find out shortly how well these are supposed to work. There are included instructions. So these instructions show you which ring goes in which location. So there's actually an extra line in the middle of that for the one that goes over this knob. So I will keep that handy. Open the package. I believe these are made out of aluminum. Interesting. So these two have no center rings. Those are for the HVAC controls. This has a center ring. So that goes on here. Oh, that snaps right on. That's nice. It's got one straight, which I am not yet doing. That's interesting. Let's try it over here real quick. Don't want to break anything. This one went on so nice. There we go. Need two hands to do it. All right, let's do this one. There we go. All right, now the one for the volume knob. This one appears to be the most difficult. Really don't want to break my truck. Let's try this again. And try it from the other side. Trying this again. This one does not want to go on. Well, that is a bummer. I cannot get this on. It's still crooked. There we go. There we go. That was better. Almost there. I'm sorry. I'm almost there. I don't quite have it, but it's very, very close. I just have to straighten it out. Okay, well that one was a royal pain in the neck. You got to make sure you're absolutely straight on that thing. I just kept turning it and looking to see how far it was pushed on all the way around, and then just pushing where it was out just a tiniest bit further. Tolerances are very tight on these, but I have a bright red truck, and now I have bright red knobs that seem to complement it quite nicely. I'm very happy. I think I'm done. I like the looks. And I will post a link in the description to the product if you want to do it to your truck. I believe they have other colors as well. I went with red because my truck is red. Hope this helps. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.